Heathenous thoughts of all sorts, they come at the source. Believe in the 48 laws, yeah I feel the force. I go do 48 tours, leave them in shock and awe. By 48 I write books about what I saw. Dig deeper into my roots, Tariq and Dice Raw. Lost boys, beamers and coops, we all the night crawl. Innocent civilians caught up in the uproar. Ancient Abyssinians, history before nightfall. Karate Kid, ambition of being Jean-Claude, but ambition without vision results poor. The outpour, all the kids say fuck it. Champagne dreams fueled by a beer budget. Forgive me Mr. if I'm veering off topic. If they out of pockets, get the weapon and cock it. If it no be true, then of course I no go talk it. We all want the hits, so we target in the market. Makula dreams, we all caught up in the buying and selling. Makula dreams, we all caught up bargaining. Makula dreams, we all caught up in the buying and selling. Makula dreams, we all caught up bargaining.
Yeah, when there's clarity, the vibe's different. Inferiority complex make you keep your distance. When there's sanity, you see the light. But it's insanity, so we succumb to the darkness. Where there's poverty, the people humble, and they love each other, they got each other's back. Where there's money, competition high, and they hate each other, they stab you in the back. This is the voice of our ancestors speaking through the boy, and the humans with a heart say bring them a lot of joy. Caught up in your mind, every day you so annoyed. What go be, what no go be, you don't have a choice. Born in the jungle, raised among the beasts. We grew up on Kanzo, my brother take a seat. We suffer past Oshin, and Guamo routine. This life is a game and we know the fear defeat. All we do is win, I came with the receipts. All you do is talk, practice what you preach. Silence means 1,000 words, so we barely speak.
Makula dreams, we all caught up in the buying and selling. Makula dreams, we all caught up bargaining. Makula dreams, we all caught up in the buying and selling. Makula dreams, we all caught up bargaining.
You good, T-Mars? Niggas been counting me out, I'm counting my bullets, I'm loading my clips, I'm writing down names, I'm making a list, I'm checking it twice and I'm getting them hit. The real ones been dying, the fake ones is lit, the game is off balance, I'm back on my shit. The Bentley is dirty, my sneakers is dirty, but that's how I like it, you all on my dick, I'm all in my bag, as hard as it get. I do not snort powder, I might take a sip, I might hit the blunt, but I'm liable to trip. I ain't popping no pill, but you do as you wish. I roll with some fiends, I love them to death, I got a few mil, but not all of them rich. What good is the bread if my niggas is broke? What good is first class if my niggas can't sit? That's my next mission, that's why I can't quit. Just like LeBron, get my niggas more chips. Just put the rollie right back on my wrist. This watch came from Drizzy, he gave me a gift. Back when the rap game was praying like this. To act like two legends cannot coexist. But I never beef with a nigga for nothing. If I smoke a rapper, it's gon' be legit. It won't be for clout, it won't be for fame. It won't be cause my shit ain't selling the same. It won't be to sell you my latest little sneakers. It won't be cause some niggas slid in my lane. Everything grows, it's destined to change.